Good morning, students. My name is Deepak Sharma. I am PGT English from Bhavrao Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. Dear students, we are going to study a chapter of class 11 today, and you can see on the slide that the name of the chapter is Discovering Tut. The saga continues. You all the people need to understand that what is the meaning of discovering. Discovering means in this chapter there is a ruler, there is a king Tut, and when he died in his teenage at a very early age, and when he died, so his body was mummified. So some scientists, some archaeologists, what they did, they discovered about his body. So that's why the name of the chapter is Discovering Tut. The saga continues. What is saga? Saga can be a sad story, it can be any kind of story. So in this chapter we will study about Discovering Tut. Deliberately I have done one thing, I have not written the name of the writer, the name of the author, but I am telling you that what exactly is the name of the author. The name of the author is A.R. Williams. I will ask you this name when I will finish this chapter. So just stay focused. So let's move to the next slide. And the next slide, it is written Discovering Tut, the saga continues theme. First of all, we have to understand that what is theme of the chapter. So this theme, the story deals with the mysteries and various theories regarding the life and death of the youngest ruler of ancient Egypt. So this story is basically dealing with the mysteries, that what was the mystery behind the death of King Tut, because he died very early. And exactly what happened in year, this one. So in year 1922, by the famous archaeologist, so I am talking about the famous archaeologist, what is the name? Howard Carter. So he started searching and discovering the mummy of Tut, and finally he wanted to know that what exactly happened with King Tut and how he died. So that is something discussion has been done in this, and after that an X-ray of the body took place, and later on a CT scan also took place of that body, which was already dead, but it was kept, it was preserved as a mummy. तो इसमें बहुत सिंपल भाषा में बताता हूँ आपको, ये जो चैप्टर है ये डील करता है मिस्ट्रीज के बारे में. मिस्ट्रीज मतलब रहस्यों के बारे में. किस चीज का रहस्य है? लाइफ एंड डेथ. किसकी लाइफ एंड डेथ? टट, जो राजा थे, किंग टट, he died at very early age, he was only teenager. तो उसके बारे में ये चैप्टर है. After that, let's move to the next slide. Discovering Tut, the saga continues about the characters. We all the people need to understand that how many characters are there, which are important character, and you must have the basic knowledge about each and every character. So the first character around whom the whole story is, that is King Tut. Okay? So who is our first character? That is King T-U-T. We can call it Tut, we can also call it Tut, as you feel comfortable. Both the pronunciation, they are right. Who was King Tut? The last heir. Heir means in Hindi we call it Uttradhikari. Okay? So he was the last heir of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. That means who was ruling Egypt? Only the family of King Tut. His grandparents were ruling, his father was ruling, his great grandparents were ruling. So they were having almost, in Hindi we call it kabja. So they were having that power that only they were the rulers in that particular country. So after that, and its empire for centuries, they were ruling for so many centuries. So this chapter suggests his preserved body was the first to be skinned. So they are saying, Professor Howard Carter is saying that Tut's body was the first body which was preserved, which was kept as a mummy. पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था, जब कोई मर जाता था तो उसकी बॉडी को, जो राजा लोग होते थे, पावरफुल लोग होते थे, वो उसकी बॉडी को दफनाते नहीं थे. उसको क्या करते थे, उस पर एक खास तरह का वो लेप लगाते थे और उस बॉडी को वो प्रिजर्व करके रखते थे, और वो सैकड़ों सालों तक बॉडी खराब नहीं होती थी. तो बिल्कुल सेम ऐसा ही हुआ किसके साथ? किंग टट के साथ. इसके बाद आगे चलते हैं. हावर्ड कार्टर, this is a very important character in this chapter. The British archaeologist who in 1922 discovered King Tut's tomb. हावर्ड कार्टर ने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ नहीं किया था. He hasn't done many things in his life, but finally he decided that he will discover the body of Tut, and he was successful in doing that. So he was very successful, and in 1922 he could do it. Okay, so this is very important point, that in 1922 British archaeologist he was. Who was British archaeologist? That was Howard Carter. So the body was preserved. After that, Zahi Hawass, that is the name, the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. Antiquities हम जानते हैं वो चीजें जो बहुत पुरानी होती हैं, सैकड़ों साल पुरानी होती हैं. तो ये क्या थे? ये उसके जनरल थे, राइट? ज़ही हवास ये उसके जनरल हैं इजिप्ट के. इजिप्ट में कहा? सुप्रीम काउंसिल ऑफ एंटिक्विटीज के ये जनरल हैं. तो इन्होंने क्या किया? ही स्कैन्ड किंग टट्स ममी फॉर एन एक्यूरेट फॉरेंसिक रिकंस्ट्रक्शन. तो वो अच्छे से पता लगा सकें दैट हाउ King Tut died, what exactly happened with his body, what were the reasons of his death. So what he started doing? He did the scanning. He scanned King Tut's body, and as I told you that this was the very first time the body of a person was scanned. Okay, so this is something you have to remember in mind. You have to keep in mind that King Tut's body was the first one whose body was scanned. After that, Amenhotep III, as it is written, King Tut's father, ये King Tut's के या तो फादर थे और ग्रैंडफादर या उनके दादाजी थे, was a powerful ruler who ruled for almost 4 decades. ये बहुत ही पावरफुल रूलर थे जिन्होंने लगभग 4 decades तक, 4 दशकों तक शासन किया. कहाँ पे शासन किया? इजिप्ट में शासन किया. इसके बाद एमेनटॉप IV, पुराने जमाने में ऐसे होता था, आप जानते होंगे प्रिंस चार्ल्स, तो चार्ल्स फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ इस तरीके से बनते हैं. तो बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से एमेनटॉप IV, he promoted the worship of Aten and changed his name to Akhenaten. उन्होंने किसकी पूजा को प्रमोट किया? उन्होंने कहा कि भाई आप जिस गॉड की पूजा करते हैं उनको उन्होंने प्रमोट किया जिनका नाम था एटेन. एटेन क्या है? ये बहुत ही बड़े, बहुत ही प्रभावशाली ईश्वर हैं जिनकी पूजा वहां पर की जाती थी. उन्होंने उन भगवान का नाम भी बदल दिया. नाम क्या बदल दिया? एखेंटेन. He outraged the country by attacking Amun. एक और गॉड थे जिनका नाम था एमुन. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान रखना है, एटेन का उन्होंने नाम बदला, क्या कर दिया? एखेटेन. और साथ में उन्होंने क्या किया? अटैकिंग एमुन. हु इज एमुन? अ मेजर गॉड. ये बहुत बड़े भगवान वहां के. तो बाय स्मैशिंग हिज इमेजेस एंड क्लोजिंग हिज टेंपल्स, उन्होंने इनकी इमेज को हर्ट किया, इनको तुड़वाया. He basically instigated people that you should go and spoil the images of God, which God? Amun. तो ये उन्होंने किया, तो उनको इसलिए याद रखा जाता है. इसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. Summary of discovering Tut. The saga continues. बेटा this one we will study in the next part. Okay? आज के लिए जो हमने पढ़ा वो हमने पढ़ा किंग टट के बारे में, हमने चैप्टर के थीम के बारे में जाना. We also got to know about the main characters of the chapter. और इसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे अपनी अगली वीडियो में. So be prepared. जितना अभी तक आपने पढ़ा है as a homework I am telling you, इसकी थीम को लर्न करिए प्रॉपरली, इसके मेन कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में लर्न करिए. That will definitely help you. Okay?